More orders going out mean more deliveries for you. Whether it's ordering a comfort meal repeatedly from their go-to neighborhood joint or discovering a new restaurant that's opening down the street, consumers continue to rely on online ordering to enjoy the best of their neighborhoods. Well, it's officially official. I will never be at 100%. I won't be top dasher because DoorDash just played me so bad. They just played me so bad. So I did earn by offer. I don't even know why I did it. I should have just turned on earn by time. $15 for 18 miles. Wow. Look, DoorDash just played me, y'all. I'm actually not even, I was just at a 57%. I'm literally down to a 51% now. 51% is what I got. That's absolutely crazy. So I did earn by time. I made my way all the way up to 57% from a 13%. And I turned on earn by offer today thinking I'm going to get some high paying orders, some priority orders. No, that is not what happened. I just lost 6 points on my acceptance rate. Every single order they sent me was trash. Absolutely crazy. Look at this, man. They literally sent me 7 orders in a row. All of them trash. And they thought I was finna take these. Like, no. $5.75 for 9.2 miles at Starbucks. Okay. $8.75 for 11.3 miles. And guess what? It's also at Starbucks. I'm like, okay, they sent me 2 10-mile deliveries. They got to send me something, close now, Every 3 offers, they may try to send you far away. The next one should be a nice, reasonable offer, right? Nope. Look, 850, 10.4 miles at Quiznos. And I declined all of these mugs too. Guess what? It didn't matter. It didn't matter at all. Look what came up next. 750, 8.6 miles. Why am I getting upside down orders and I'm over 50%? I should have just left it on earn by time because this is absolutely ridiculous right here. What am I finna do driving almost 9 miles and making $7? Like, come on, if you got all these 10-mile deliveries, you should be paying $15. Why is all these orders going 10 miles away and not paying $15, DoorDash? Next, they're gonna dive into the trends that they see happening. So top ordering habits for consumers are absolutely crazy. I did all that work to get to 57, lost it in 10 minutes. Lost all my acceptance rate points in 10 minutes. Then they sent me this one. $13 for 11.8 miles. Quiznos and McDonald's. Quiznos and McDonald's going 12 miles away. I don't even know why I put myself through all that pain. I delivered to all them clowns just to get 10-mile orders sending me outside of my zone. DoorDash, you are trash. You are trash, DoorDash. Look at this, $5.75 for 8.2 miles. 8.2 miles, and all you can give the driver is $5. That's why your stock price is going down now. That's why your investors ain't making no money because you do stupid stuff. A focus on selection and affordability. We talk about this a lot on the channel. A lot of these customers are trying to get that discount, and they also, want a good selection of items to pick from or a good selection of menu items to pick from. Like this, you allow customers to order from 10 miles away, and you didn't already charge them double, triple the price of the item. So now what? You gonna stiff the driver on the delivery fee, the service fee, you didn't upcharged on the items. You done made money right there. But you need to make the $10 from the delivery fee and the service fee too, right? No wonder the damn customer don't tip. Look at this. 575, 8 miles. And this is the last one they sent me right here before I paused my dash. Got me out here mad as hell. I came out to make some money. Just multi-app with DoorDash. Just want the multi-app. I got other apps I'm running. Well, now DoorDash is paused. $9 for 10.8 miles. Every single order that was 10 miles away, they couldn't even give me $15. Couldn't even give me $15 for it. Even the one that they stacked together, the Quiznos and McDonald's, you can't even give drivers $15 for that. DoorDash is trash. They also are saying, DoorDash users tend to order food most often on Fridays and Saturdays after a long work week. So to all my new Dashers out there, we talk about optimizing the peak times to work the app. And the customers is trash too. It's absolutely crazy. I'm sitting here at 51%. I ain't even completed one order with DoorDash yet. Everything going 10 miles away. Look at this crap. $14.51 for 20 miles on Uber. What is going on with these apps today? Who is allowing these people, these idiots, these clowns, to order from 10 and 20 miles away? If you are an Uber Eats customer or a DoorDash customer and you live 10 miles away from where you ordering that, you are a fucking clown. On my soul, I swear to God, you are a clown. We already know these companies is clowns, but customer, now I'm on your ass now. 10 miles away, get your raggedy ass up, hop in that car, turn it on, and drive up there. Because you got us messed up. You are trash. This is crazy, boy. I'm about to unpause this thing right now, and I'm about to see what else they hit me with. Because I'm pissed off. I did all that work. I was damn near at 60%. I'm just like, I can decline one or two, and I'll get one, and I'll still be okay. I didn't decline 7 damn orders. Each one going 10 miles away. Y'all trash. You customers are clowns, bro. Straight up. I am mad as hell right now. I'm sitting here by Buffalo Wild Wings, Deerbergs, Panera, 54th Street, Texas Roadhouse, Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Wingstop. Man, and I can't get an order going 1 or 2 miles away. Every single customer that y'all send me is 10 miles away. Man, fuck you and that customer. Straight up. Y'all got me messed up. Y'all got me all the way messed up. I can't even believe I experienced this morning. Can't even believe it, boy. I did one Walmart Spark order. Everything I got on Uber was trash. Everything I got on DoorDash was trash. But at least Uber, they don't dictate the type of orders you see based off of your acceptance rate. So, it's like, okay, I got to decline some trash on Uber. No work. But DoorDash, you got me messed up. All that work I put in delivering to them clowns to get up to 57, just for you to send me this, man, what's the point of even doing earn by offer? What is the point if this is all you finna get? Well, just got my next order. Guess what? Guess how far away it's going? 11 damn miles. $11 for 11 miles at Hawaiian Bros. You know what? I am done. We all the way back down to 50%. Absolutely crazy right here. Man, DoorDash and they customers are trash. I might just end my dash right now. Cause it's some bullshit right here. Now, why is these motherfuckers parked next to me? So find your own parking spot. Oh, that's E. Oh shit. I ain't even realized that was you, bro. I'm thinking you somebody else. Oh, it was. I looked over. I ain't know who you was. Bro, DoorDash has pissed me off, bro. Yeah, I've been turning them up on Uber, man. But DoorDash, boy, they got me fucked up, man. Fuck messed up. They got me fucked up. All right, so I just got done dropping off a good Uber Eats order. I've been paused on DoorDash. I'm at 50% now, guys. They sent me another order and I missed it. And my AR went down. The struggles of being a DoorDash driver, man. Like every single offer that they sent me today been trash. And like I get it be like that sometimes, but why even send them if it's trash? Like, come on, DoorDash. You got to do better. As an app, as a company, you got to stop allowing these clowns to be on your platform. I'm literally at 50. If I drop below, I'm ending my dash. Like if I drop below 50%, if I decline this next order because it's trash, I'm ending my dash. It's absolutely ridiculous, man. DoorDash. DoorDash. I ain't get one diamond order. Not one. Not even one that was just low mileage. Can't get a good DoorDash order to save my life. Friday night, Saturday night, your dinner time is going to be your most hidden time of the week. Now, you may be able to get some good earnings throughout the week in dinner time, but Friday and Saturday, you're going to be able to make the most money. And DoorDash says that they've been seeing that reflect on the results of their side of this report.